इलेक्ट जावन हांगा ह्या टर्माक येयल्ले पळय आमचो मेन उद्देश आसलो की गिव अ करप्ट फ्री पंचायत. हेतून आज आमकां अलॉंग विथ MPT आमी विजिलन्स अवेरनेस वीक ऑर्गनायज केला पळय. तूं लोकांक हें करपाक यू शूड बी अवेर, तुमी सतर्क रावा आनी कोणी कितें केलें जाल्यार यू वील इन्फॉर्म अस. सो ऑन दॅट आमचे लोकांक आमी कळीत करतले, अवेर करतले आमी रिगार्डींग दीस करप्शन और अवेरनेस ऑफ विजिलेंस जी मीटिंग आसा पळय.
तो आप जानते हैं हम लोग एवरी ईयर ये फंक्शन सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, विजिलेंस अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम. पब्लिक इज मेड अवेयर अबाउट देयर राइट्स, what is corruption. They are told that they are not to pay bribe, and if they are asked by somebody to pay bribe, if they come across any corrupt activity, they are told what they have to do. There are so many agencies like this Vigilance organization, the CBI, the State Vigilance, Anti-Corruption Bureau. They can approach any of the organizations, and we are bound to take action on their complaints. Okay?
This every year we celebrate Vigilance Awareness Week in the month of October, coinciding with the birth anniversary of late Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The purpose of conducting this Vigilance Awareness Week is to spread awareness about the menace of corruption and what steps we can take to eradicate the scourge of corruption from public life. That is the purpose of organizing this Vigilance Awareness Week. And today we are organizing a meeting in association with Chicalim Gram Panchayat to spread the awareness of problem of corruption and bring more and more awareness among the people. What are all the acts available, what are all the systems available, what are all the agencies available, so that people can approach them if there is any problem of corruption anywhere in the public life. Very, very important to eradicate the corruption. If India wants to become a developed nation as mandated by Honorable Prime Minister, 2047 is the year we have decided to become a developed nation. To become a developed nation, we have to first and foremost eradicate this corruption from the public life. That is the step we have to take, and we are working on that. This is the purpose of organizing this Vigilance Awareness Week.